All right, let's start to begin drawing this shape. And we can begin with any line, but let's try to use this horizontal over here. So I'm going to pull my red line and then draw over it. We're going to start with this line here, which is 140 long. So I'm going to start AutoCAD, click new file, draw a line, click the start. You want to make it horizontal, so turn on your ortho mode so it's horizontal. Drag to the right and type in 140, press enter. Might be too long, so what you're going to do, press escape, is you're going to use the zoom out, or you can zoom all first, and then you can click this again and select zoom out. There you go. So that's our first line. If you have a mouse, you can also scroll and you can make that line a little bit. Okay. Let's move this line just a little bit to the right here. There you go. So that's what we're going to do. And the next thing that we are going to work on is let's go and do this line here. Okay. So let's do, and we're going to draw this line. And to draw this line, you need an angle for this line. So we know that the length is 90. This one, there's no angle, so it's 0. So we simply have to go to the right and draw 140. But in this case, we want to draw this line going here, okay, starting from this point. So what angle should we use? Well, we know that an angle is always coming from a horizontal line. So this angle here, that angle is a quarter of a circle, so it's 90 degrees. Okay, another quarter of a circle will land it to this another horizontal here. So that's another 90 degrees. So together that's 180. So what is this angle over here? Well, that angle is 180 minus 125. Okay, so if you get your calculator and you simply do 180 minus 125, you will get 55. So this angle here is 55 because half a circle is 290s, which is 180. So this whole thing in the bottom is also 180. And that 180 minus 125, 55. So in order for me to draw this line from this point here, I have to put in the total of these three angles. Okay, 90, 90, and 55. So get my calculator again and do 90 plus 90 plus 55. That would be 235. Okay, so going back to AutoCAD, I want to draw a line coming from this, and I want it to go down here. So I'm going to turn off my ortho. Okay, I simply want to go here, but I'm not going to click. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in at. So it's going to be shift 2 at, oh, shift 2 at, and then immediately when you type in shift 2 at, let me repeat that. Okay, drag here and then shift 2. You can now type in the length, which is 90. Okay, press enter or press tab, and then you can now put the angle. Okay, what is the angle that we want again? The angle that we want is 90 and 90 plus 55, and 90 and 90 plus 55 is 235. Okay, so all we have to do now here is type in 235, press enter, and there you go. Okay, so how do we do that again? Line from here going down, shift 2, type in the length 90, press tab, and then type in the angle 235, press enter. So this angle here is going to be uh, one. Well, this angle is going to be 125 between these two lines over here. So to do that, I will double check, pull this down, type in, click on the angle, and then simply measure the angle between these two lines and this other line here. And you can see this is 125 angle. Okay, just like we have on our drawing here, 125, 125. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video, do what I just did, and then you're going to continue to the next video. Okay.